Hey, what's up, guys? Darron Brown here, and I'm your instructor for GeekMODE, the School of React Native. And in this video, we're going to tackle the CamelCase algorithm. So the way this basically works is that we're going to count the amount of words that that live within one string. And for those of you who aren't familiar with CamelCase, as you can see, if we count the number of words that fit into our CamelCase, the first word always begins with a lowercase word, save, followed by an uppercase word, changes, which brings us to 2, N is 3, D is 4, and editor is 5. And that's why we get our 5 as our output. So I want you guys to scroll down, and I want you guys to copy this function and paste it into your text editor. As always, you guys see me looking back and forth because I already completed this problem. And I want you guys to create your own unique string. I'm going to say Darron. I'm going to say, actually, let's go with React Native is awesome. All right, so we have in here 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 words. And now let's get started on our algorithm. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to check if S is actually passed through. You always want to do this because it checks for false, and then you don't want to fail your test just because of you forgot to check for a false value. So if S doesn't exist, if S does exist, we're going to create our variables. Let I equal 0. I don't know what just got into my eye, but I'm just going to power through it. So if I equals 0, and our character, we're going to create a character variable as well. We're going to set it equal to an empty string. And our count, we're going to set our count equal to 1. Now, by default, our count is 1 because we know that the first letter within our string is lowercase. So we're going to set that as 1. And while, we're going to use our while loop. And while I... Hey, what's up, guys? Darron Brown here. I just wanted to remind you, at the end of this video, make sure you check out the website, www.geekmode.tech. There you can learn more about React Native, Firebase, and Redux. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you check out our free course as well. I'm sure you enjoyed it. Now, that's enough of me, and I'll let you guys get back to the video. Is less than s.length. Remember, we can loop through a string in JavaScript. We're going to set our character equal to s.character at I. So I starts off at 0, remember. So we're going to get our first character, which is R. So our first character is referencing R. And if our character is equal to character to uppercase, we're going to increment our count. So we'll do count plus count. Count equals count plus 1. You can do shorthand syntax by just lowering that, adding a plus. That automatically does count plus 1. So anyways, we're going to continue on, and then we're going to increment our I. As long as I is less than our s.length, we're going to increment it. And lastly, we're going to return our count. So if I console log our count, I'm going to clear this out. It's from an earlier problem. And we're going to get our CamelCase. It's 4. And that's exactly what we're expecting to get back, because React Native is awesome, consists of 4 words. So let's go ahead, remove our console log, and I want you guys to copy our function, return to HackerRank, and we're going to paste in our algorithm just like that. It looks like we're passing. And everything went through. That was one of our easier ones. So I'm going to tend to my damaged eye. And for those of you who are interested in participating in any of the algorithm challenges, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. And if some of you guys are awesome at algorithms and you want to teach me something, I'm open to that as well. Just want to spread the love. All right. So thanks for watching, and I'll get back to you, geeks. Peace.